Welcome to The Short End, a collection of AudioKidsBooks. This is a short end presentation of How to Make a Pirate Laugh. Alright, so we had a request. This is The Short End, and a request for how to make a pirate laugh from our primary audience members. Okay, our only audience members, but yes. So, Cyrus, for you, the next one up, how to make a pirate laugh. Wordplay Groundhog presents. Copyright 2022. All rights reserved. Book designed by Chris Kate. ISBN 979-8844-625619. I really don't know why I keep reading those to you. You must be bored by now. Published by Wordplay Groundhog. Wordplaygroundhog.com. How to Make a Pirate Laugh. A Wordplay Groundhog book. Do you know why pirate jokes are the best? They just arg. What did the ocean say to the pirate? Nothing. It just waved. What did the pirate say when his peg leg got stuck in the cooler? Shiver me timbers! If you'd like to hear a rather lengthy explanation as to what shiver me timbers means and how it makes a very funny pun, there is a post-credit scene at the end of this video. What is a pirate's favorite exercise? The plank. I don't know why this next one is particularly hard, but I can't quite get it. Why don't pirates shower before walking the plank? They wash up on shore. Why couldn't the pirates play cards? Their captain was standing on the deck. I got a turtle this time in the pirate hat. Why do pirates take so long to say the alphabet? Because they spend years on the sea. That is mighty funny. C like the letter versus sea like the ocean. S-E-A. Very funny. What's the difference between a pirate and a strawberry farmer? A pirate buries treasure. A strawberry farmer treasures berries. We're playing on the word berry here. B-U-R-I-E-S, meaning to dig a hole in the ground and put something in it. And berries, B-E-R-R-I-E-S. What did the pirate say on his 80th birthday? Aye, matey. Which I think is supposed to sound like I'm 80, if I'm getting that one right. What kind of haircut do pirates get? A crew cut. Why are pirates so great at shopping? They always find the best sales. How did the pirate learn he needed glasses? He failed his eye exam. Now you know jokes that make pirates laugh. Don't be crabby, be funny. Pirates arg. More fun books by Wordplay Groundhog. How to make a ninja laugh. We read that. How to make an astronaut laugh. How to make a robot laugh. That one's up next. How to make a unicorn laugh. How to make a penguin laugh. And how to make a koala laugh. Lots of laughter going on here. That's wordplaygroundhog.com. And here's the back cover. Why are pirate jokes the best? They just arg. Thank you for listening. This has been The Short End. Coming up next, how to make a robot laugh. Now, I really didn't understand what shiver me timbers meant. I've heard it in all the pirate films I watch, but I really had no clue what it's talking about. So I looked it up, as, nerdy teachers do. And I discovered that shiver is being played on here. It's a pun. And that shiver like cold is not exactly what happens to pirates, because in pirates, shiver is the splintering of wood It's what happens when the cannonball comes flying over and busts up the ship. So hugely problematic for the pirate. So shiver me timber, the timber's referencing the ship, the wood made of the ship, and it's all falling apart. And here we're playing like it's dealing with shiver, like, ooh, I'm cold, which it's not. If you're the pirate, it's not.